20 दिन का काम और मैंने किया, लेकिन इसने मेरे को पैसा दे दिया।
मैम सेंटो
दादा थोड़ा खाली हो।
एक मिनट मैं फोन कर रहा हूँ। ठीक है शिल्पा जी।
Action Prince Dhruva Sarja. Along with him, Grishma Nanaya, ladies and gentlemen, the very gorgeous. Of course, Supritsa in the house. Anand Audio say, of course, Sanju Baba is here. And the OG superstar, ladies and gentlemen, Shilpa. As I said, the superstars are here. We'll just let them settle down and then we'll get down to some.
Kannada cinema is growing all over India in a big way in last 10 years. Starting from KGF to Kantara, they are conquering Indian cinema. Actually, I'm very close to Kannada cinema because I was a very lucky man. Love you. सबसे पहले नमस्ते. Thank you everybody for being here. I want to thank Venki sir, Supreet, my younger brother Dhruva. इससे प्यारी, इससे अच्छी एक्टर बहुत कम मिलती है. अब वो घर संभालती है, बच्चे संभालती है, फिर भी काम करती है. एंड मैंने कभी इसको चेंज होते हुए देखा नहीं है. शिल्पा वैसे ही शिल्पा है. आई रे लड़की एंड ऑफ कोर्स प्रेम सर. इससे प्यार, जिसने भी नाम प्रेम रखा ना, बहुत सोच समझ के रखा है यार.
A successful entrepreneur, a devoted mother, and an inspiration to millions across the globe. Please welcome Shilpa. There she comes with that beautiful, beautiful smile on her face. As always, welcome.
I love you too. Very good afternoon to all the members of the press, जितने भी यहाँ पे बैठे हुए हैं. Prem sir, thank you for convincing me to do this film. Actually, you didn't need to convince me. पता है, एक स्टोरी बताती हूँ मैं. जब ये आए थे पिक्चर लेके मेरे पास, इस किरदार को एक्सप्लेन करने के लिए आए थे. मैं एक्चुअली नहीं करना चाहती थी, क्योंकि उस वक्त वी हैव गिवन टुगेदर येट अगेन. जैसे उन्होंने कहा कि मैं बदली नहीं हूँ. इतने बड़े स्टार होने के बावजूद एक सीक्वेंस हम लोग शूट कर रहे थे बारिश में, और उनकी तबीयत बहुत ख़राब थी. ही हैड 102 टेम्परेचर एंड आई कैन नेवर फॉरगेट. बारिश में एक्शन कर रहे थे हम. वो एक्शन सीक्वेंस सर, यू कुड हैव मेड अ फिल्म इन दैट मच टाइम. वो चलता गया. कुछ 7 दिन हमने शूट किया उस एक्शन सीक्वेंस को. एवरी डे दिस मैन वुड गेट वेट, बी इन दैट, यू नो, in that whole wet outfit and do action every day so dedicatedly. That's why he is Sanjay Dutt. The one and only Sanjay Dutt. Really. There can be no one like you.
लेकिन मैं छतरी लेके आपके लिए खड़ा तो था.
और बैंगलोर में उस वक्त बहुत ज़्यादा ठंड.
Baba.
What a
Yes,
sequence that is.
amazing,
Oh
Baba.
my God.
Amazing that scene. I love it. I love it. The both that engagement. नहीं यहाँ पे engage.
इनका नाम प्रेम है, लेकिन जब वो सेट पे आते थे ना, he was like a man possessed. इतना पैशन है इनमें when he talks about each one of his characters.
Sarja, ladies and gentlemen, give it up for him. Welcome. Thank you so much. Yeah, of course, Chappade is what we have to say. And Jay Anjaney, that's how he starts. Standing here with this Kamal ki ensemble, with these wonderful people in attendance. What do you have to say, Dhruva bhai?
ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಜಯ ಆಂಜನೇಯ, ಜೈ ಶ್ರೀರಾಮ್. Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Dhruva Sarja. It was a great time I spent with the legend, sir. So I just want to thank the entire team, my director Prem sir and Rishma ma'am, my producer Venkat sir and Mr. Supreet sir, and Anand sir, Sham sir, and each and everybody.
Let's just welcome her. Welcome, Rishma. A quick question to you, of course, standing with this Kamal ka ensemble. Who inspired you the most? Agar cast ki baat karo, director, producer, who inspired you the most while shooting for this?
Yes, that's a very good question, and I will come right back to that question. ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಒಂದು ಚೆಕ್ ಪರಿಚಯ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ ನನ್ನ ಬಗ್ಗೆ. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ರೀಶ್ಮಾ ನಾಣಯ್ಯ, ಕೂರ್ಗಿಂದ.
Within a week, how many ever dates we wanted. Thank you, sir, because of your support, we were able to. Shilpa madam, thank you. No. As madam told, we were trying to reach madam several times for the narration of the story. Madam was so busy. We were like, because of that, madam heard the story and madam is in our movie. Thank you, madam. Thanks a lot. And Dhruva sir, thank you, because Dhruva sir has given almost 3 years for this movie. I have to tell one thing. After Martin, sir was shooting for Martin. In between we started a movie shooting. Sir lost 28 kgs in 30 days for this movie. Thank you, sir. When I saw sir, we were able to go to shoot in a month or something, and you were looking little heavy. Sir told sir, what is the shooting date? I told sir, in next 30 days we are going. Sir came and met us on 15th day. He lost 15 kgs, and he told, sir, is this look okay?
वो बाबा का आइकॉनिक वो डांस मूव देखा आपने, वो एकदम ऐसा that was something कमाल ना.
तो आप किसके पास जाओगे? I was intrigued to know. तो उन्होंने कहा in mind, and I take that as a huge compliment. And मुश्किल किरदार है. I don't think सत्यवती नाम कितना प्यारा साउंड होता है, बिल्कुल प्रेम सर के नाम की तरह, लेकिन so her walk, every time she walks on screen, she's like on the prowl, So So it was too much fun as an actor to play this character. Hello, hello. आवाज आ रही है मेरी? I'm sorry. Hi guys. First of all, the teaser looks amazingly. You all were too good. Shilpa ma'am, my question is to you. I loved you in the teaser actually. So my question is to you. Returning back to Kannada, you said it's 18 years up. I have वापस. How was it working again in such a power-packed cinema, in an action-packed cinema? So I've done love stories earlier, and I've never done a film where I've played a character from the 70s. So for me, that was very exciting. That's the reason I did it.
Enact and show. You have to walk like this, you have to talk like this, you have to behave like this. And I was like, oh, okay. And I started copying him. So finally I play a role called KD, and that is actual. And this is
मिल गया आपका जवाब. योगा से ही होगा.
खत्म. 20 दिन का काम और मैंने किया, लेकिन इसने मेरे को पैसा दे दिया. मजाक कर.
Loss for Nitin, yeah. So well you do it. Every time. Superb.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
हे दादू पूर्ण आला इकडं.
Thank you so much. Yeah.
अरे निक्या
Come.
थोडा इसडा ना मग तू हिले काही नाही.
Baba, the cast, the four of you. Come. Come. Dhruva bhai, come.
भर देगा अभी भाई.
The four of you. Yeah.